Hi guys! So real talk tayo, bakit nga ba maganda mag-invest ng condo o lote dito sa Boracay, Negros? Let me tell you in less than 1 minute.
Una, location. Boracay is one of the most beautiful island in the world. At itong New Coast, it's the newest and most exclusive area sa island. Peaceful, safe, and super clean. Pangalawa, master plan community siya. Ibig sabihin everything you need is here. Hotels, commercial areas, amenities, even a church and golf course. Para kang naka-resort living every day.
Third, investment-wise. Sulit talaga. Property values here are going up. Pwede mong parentahan for passive income or keep it as your future home. So if you ever dream of owning a slice of paradise, condo man yan or lot, Boracay New Coast is the future.